Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been doing wonderful. So today I wanted to review the new Anastasia Beverly Hills times Jackie Aina palette. I absolutely love Jackie Aina. I have been following her for forever, and I love everything that she stands for. I'm so glad that she has been somebody who has really pioneered, you know, the beauty community and has really made sure to basically force brands to be inclusive and to cater to darker women and to cater to, you know, just black women in general. And she is not only somebody that shook the table, but she is now having a seat at the table and it's basically creating the table. She now has her own lab and is out there creating tables for everyone else. But yeah, I just think that this collaboration was incredible. Anastasia Beverly Hills is such a big, huge name, and I always felt that ABH products in general were always very, very inclusive. Like, I have like a bazillion of their foundation sticks because I love to use them to contour. I always use their brow products. I have a ton of their palettes. So just in general, ABH products in general have always been amazing. One of my favorite liquid lipsticks from ABH, which is the color Ashton, which I wear all the time. It's like one of the best nudes ever. It's such a pretty color. But yeah, I mean, so many of their products are incredible, and so when she announced that she was coming out with this collab, it was just a perfect fit, and it is very, very well deserved. So congratulations to you, Miss Jackie. Yeah, I knew I wanted to purchase the product because number one, I knew that it was going to be something that would be black girl friendly, and it would be something where the shades and the tones and whatnot showed up really, really well on deeper skin tones. I went online and ordered this off of the ABH website. It launched on the 6th on the ABH website, and then it will be in stores and online everywhere on the 15th of this month. So you guys can still go online and order it. I'm not quite sure if it's sold out or not on the ABH website. Just make sure you guys go and check that. But yeah, I love this palette. I mean, you guys will see me talk about the palette later on, but it's a classic ABH palette. I will say though, I don't feel like, compared to all of my other ABH palettes that tend to get really, really dirty on the outside, for some reason I feel like I could wipe this off really easily, which is nice. Because oh my god, if y'all would see my Modern Renaissance palette, y'all would be like, ugh. That just goes to show how much it is well loved. Before we get into the video though, if you guys aren't already subscribed to me, make sure that you guys subscribe so that you guys don't miss out on any future uploads. Also, don't forget to give this video a like and a thumbs up as well if you guys do like this kind of content. If you guys want me to start getting back into doing more beauty videos, more reviews, that kind of stuff, just give me a like on this video and let me know. And then you can also let me know what other videos y'all want to see as well. Because to be honest, I'm really not up on a ton of like new products that are coming out because I have so much makeup that I had stopped buying makeup for a long time, and then I was getting sent makeup, and then I have campaigns with makeup, and then like I just keep getting more free makeup, and then I just have so much makeup. I had stopped buying makeup for a long time, so I really wasn't, you know, too pressed on anything that was coming out that was new. But there are certain products that I have purchased this year that I have absolutely fallen in love with. I am thinking about doing the Pat McGrath foundation review, but you guys let me know if you guys want to see that. I would be interested to possibly do that just because it is Pat McGrath. Let me know if that's something you guys would want to see. Also, if you guys aren't already following me over on my other social media platforms, make sure that you follow me over there as well. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and get right into the video. Alright loves, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So I have the palette right here, and first off, can we just talk about the packaging and how beautiful the packaging is. It kind of has like this duochromeness to it, and then it kind of has this crocodile feel to it, which is so pretty. And I do absolutely love that her signature is on the palette as well. I think that that adds such an awesome like personal touch to her palette. Open it, it does come with the 14 colors in here. And then it also does come with the brush. All of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes tend to all come with the same brush as well. So but yeah, I think I really want to have some fun and do something with this color right here, Sponsored. I don't know if that's coming up, but it's like this really pretty like duochrome mermaid color. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is so pretty, and I really want to play around with that color. I think that colors like this are beautiful on deeper skin tones, and I think that her colors selection in here is going to be beautiful on deeper skin tones. So I'm excited to play. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer, and this is going to be in the color Amande. It's just a really good like color to use as a base for your eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in and blend that onto my eyes just as a base. I'd love to know who else bought their palette early. Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with the palette on their website on the 6th, but I think that this palette will be in stores on the 15th and online at supporting retailers on the 15th. But if you are like me and you're somebody that just is so impatient like I am, you went ahead and ordered it early. So glad that I picked this up. Let's see. So next I'm gonna go in with this color right here, Ginger, this in color right here. I'm probably gonna use that as like a base on my eye. Oh wow, the pigment is really good, as to be expected. Now it does have some kickback to it, but it's not, I mean, if you guys are familiar with ABH shadows, it's not anything crazy. So it's, you know, the same amount of kickback that you would find, of course, in the Modern Renaissance palette. So just keep that in mind. Color is pretty. It's a really pretty color. I love a good like neutral burnt orange, medium orange color. This would be a really good like everyday color as well. So if you guys wanted to wear this every day, this would be a great, just good old classic everyday color. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Edges, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna add that into my crease area. Just take that and just kind of swirl that around into the crease. And I'm adding it kind of into my crease and a little bit on the outer V. So now I think I'm gonna go in with the main color that I've been wanting to try, and that's gonna be this color right here, Sponsored. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that. The first thing I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna just take a flat brush and I'm gonna spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus. I always spray my brush with MAC Fix Plus when I'm going in with duochrome eyeshadows, metallic eyeshadows, glitter eyeshadows. I just think, I mean, MAC Fix Plus is one of those products that works perfectly on these types of shadows. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Wow. Whoa. I know you guys can see that. How pretty is that? Is such a unique and pretty color. Oh my goodness. It's almost like some parts of it look brown, some parts of it look green, some parts of it look blue. It has a little bit of a purple undertone to it. What a beautiful color. What a unique color. Beautiful. This color is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is such a unique color. Like, I can't even explain what, like, this color is so pretty. So next I'm gonna go back in and just kind of blend out the edges some. Then gonna take this color right here, Trust Issues, which is kind of like a yellowy white color. This is also kind of like that duochromeness metallic shift type shade. This color is so pretty, so unique. And I'm gonna just pat that on to the center of my eye. Again, I'm gonna use some Fix Plus. Just wet my brush some. Oh, okay. So this color, it looks white, but it comes off like this yellowy gold color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It comes off like this goldeny color, which is pretty, but I think I want more of that Sponsor. So I'm gonna go back into Sponsor and just kind of tap over that a little bit. I don't really, ooh. Now Sponsor looks pretty on top of Trust Issues. That's pretty. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Trust Issues, add some of that, and then go back over it with Sponsored as well. And I really kind of want to play around with this color Lituation, which I just think is so pretty. It's kind of like this pewter purplish color. I kind of want to play around with that, so let's just do it. Let's just go in and let's just try it, and let's just throw everything to the wall and see what sticks at this point. Again, do my brush with some Fix Plus. I'm going into that color Lituation. Ooh, now that's pretty. All right, love, so I'm now gonna go into the color that's called Credit. This color right here, it's like this burnt brown, orangish color right here. And I'm gonna add that to my outer V. And that color Credit was really, really pretty. It looks just like a classic burnt brown, orangey brown that a lot of the ABH palettes have in them. But yeah, I really love the eyes. That color Sponsor is so unique. Like, I wish that they would make that in a single shadow, because that is such a unique color. Like, I've never had a color like that before. So I am going to pop on some lashes, finish up the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back to you guys. All right, love, so I have finished off most of my face and added my lashes. These are the Kiss lashes from, I think I got these from Walmart, either Walmart or Ulta, one of them. But yeah, so we're gonna finish off this look. I originally was gonna just smoke out the bottom with that brown color, but I really think I want to play with the purple. And I think if you guys like this look, I'd love to do another look with this other purple right here, Shookington. I think that that is such a beautiful color. But I think I'm going to take this color right here, Big Wig, and just kind of add that to my bottom lash. So I am taking a BH Cosmetics, just an eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to put that on the bottom of my lash line. And then I am going to line my top waterline with just a regular NYX pencil. And now I'm going to take this color right here, Big Wig, and I'm going to use that on the bottom to just kind of smoke out my bottom lash. And let's see, I think I'm going to go in and kind of pack it in first and then go from there. Ooh, what a pretty color. And now I'm going to just take like a regular blending brush and just kind of smoke it out just a little bit. This purple is so pretty. This has probably got to be one of my favorite eye looks that I've done in a while. So pretty. I love the color of this. I love the purple. I almost wish I would have played with that color Shookington as well. So let me know if you guys want to see, you know, me play with that other color. But I just really like this eye look a lot. I just think it's so pretty. So next I'm going to go in and add some mascara. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash mascara, which is just like an oldie but goodie mascara. All right, and now to just kind of finish it off, I might take a little bit of Shookington and a little bit of this color Zam right here, which is like this really pretty coppery goldeny color, and add that to my inner corner to just, I don't know, to just kind of play with it, play with this palette. Let's see what Zam looks like. Oh my god, no, I'm just taking the color Shookington. That is so pretty as an inner corner highlight. See how pigmented and pretty that is? That is so beautiful as an inner corner highlight. And I did go in and spray my brush with some Fix Plus. Ooh, I love that. That's so pretty. It's so unique too. Like, this is such a unique color combination, but it works so well. It's so pretty. Yeah, I love that. So I am basically done with the eyes. I am going to finish off the rest of my face and then I will be right back. Love, so as you guys can see, this is the final look right here. I do absolutely love it. I think that this palette is beautiful. I think this palette is such a good palette, and I don't know, like, I feel like I was seeing some drama online about this palette, and somebody was saying don't buy it, don't listen to that, like, at all. Make your own choices, make your own decisions. This palette is no different than a lot of the ABH palettes. It's just that the colors are just so unique in here, and I don't think I own any palette, to be honest with you, that has a color that is so like pigmented like Shookington, and even this purple color right here. Purples are like some of the hardest colors to master in a palette. But these two colors right here are absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to create more looks with this palette. I just think that this is a beautiful palette, and I can definitely tell that this was something that she sat down and curated herself. So yeah, so again, congrats to her. Definitely go say purchase these. Do not listen to the hype. Make your own decision. Yes, they have some fallout. Yes, it's just like every ABH palette that's out there that has some fallout. Palettes in general that have fallout. No, that's not a deal breaker. Yes, you need it. All right, love, so that is it for this video. I don't really have much else to say aside from I hope you guys have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye guys.